This video is about how to publish your article on HubPages.com. So welcome here and ensure you watch this video to the end. Now, after creating your account and signing in, you need to come above here and click this right button. This will take you to this page where you need to enter the article title and choose a topic or category, then layout. You can also edit your article URL on this page. After this, you need to click this continue button. And on this page, you need to write a summary for your article and also add your bio. Now, this section below here is where you are supposed to write your article. And you have all these capsules on this right hand side to help you compose a great article. And as you can see, you have the main capsules like text, photo, and video, which you will highly likely need when composing your article. You also have the supplementary capsules and also the product and receipt capsules. If you want to add affiliate ads to your article, then you can use the Amazon capsule, which is a product capsule. Now, to use a capsule, you just need to click on it and it will be added to this writing section. And to add content to the capsule, you just need to click the edit button on it and fill its areas accordingly, then save the capsule. After composing your article, you need to come below here and choose your disclaimer and also copyright. And if you go back to this right hand side, you can see the word count for your article. And below the capsules, you have these display options for ads, which you can turn on and off. You also have this section where you can easily arrange the capsules in your article by just dragging and dropping them. And after all these, you can go on to publish your article or save the article and publish to edit it later. And once you publish your article, you can always view its stats, edit it, or even delete it. Now, if you want to know about how to earn from HubPages, check out this video link. You can also find the video in the description below or on my homepage. And if you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more of these educative videos.